Nan, babaw ka balin kung sa kayo po. My name is Louis.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga. We discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog guys, nandito tayo sa Friendship, Angeles City. And if you're looking for a KTV place, include nyo sa list to. And at the same time guys, earlier, natikman natin yung authentic Korean dishes nila dito. Grabe! First time kong makakain nun.
Actually, something na exotic, rare, and
Uh-huh.
talagang sulit sa budget.
At the same time, meron din yung usual, like the steak, meron din tayong mga hot pot, shabu-shabu, and everything. If you're into those kind of dishes, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so in it we have beef, mushroom, egg, some vegetables, ayan. Galing. So, hintayin natin siya for 10 minutes. 12 minutes, ayan. So, nasa 9 minutes na tayo, guys. Alright, so dito guys, available din yung kanilang tinatawag na steak course. So, this one is the package. So, for 1,500 pesos, guys, you're gonna have a soup, a salad, meron din tayong tomahawk, at saka tenderloin steak, which is nandito sa platter na to. Ayan, so titingnan natin siya first without anything. So let's just taste it first. Wow! So this one is a class A, grade A na steak guys. Ayan, tingnan natin with naman na. I mean, diba? Pink in the inside, yeah. And then ayos yung pagkakaluto niya sa labas, but pink in the inside. That's what I like sa steak, guys. Actually, yan na lang. Salt, pepper to taste. Then you're good. More. Isa sa mga kakaibang dish na sinaserve nila dito, tinatawag nilang elephant shell. So, if you notice, right from the aquarium, ibig sabihin, live catch, ayan, steam nila dito. According to our orientation, so this is rich in collagen, kaya mostly daw yung mga pupunta dito ng mga doctors, ito yung mga gustong-gusto talaga nila. So, the way you eat it is, ayan. And then we have two dips. So let's start with this one. I think I'm gonna go for this one first. Alright. Whoa. First time. Cheers. Yaman na.
Yan. So kagandahan din dito, if ever nagka-crave kayo ng mga ganitong klaseng mga
Exotic shells, no?
exotic shell like tong elephant shell, you could buy it here. So kinikilo nila and you could cook it at home. In fairness masarap pa rin siya kahit medyo hindi siya magandang tingnan, pero napakasarap niya.
Physical appearance, parang medyo awkward siya nakainin. Nakakatawa. Nakakatawa siya nakainin. Pero the taste is really good.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sarap.
Oh, that's hot. So right after nating na-steam yung mga ingredients natin, like the meat, mga vegetables, mga mushroom, and everything, no? Yung pinaka-lasa, lahat ng mga nutrients niya, magdi-drip dito sa natin, pinaka-base soup natin, which is yung lulutuin natin ngayon. Yung version ng kanilang hot pot or shabu-shabu. And the noodles natin. Then we also get our meat. Damihan natin yung meat. Okay, konting mushroom. And this one. Oh, I like this one. This one's also good. And then, yung pinaka soup. Like this. Look at that. Like this. Ayan. And then, for the final act, meron tayong dip dito. So this one's the peanut butter and then this one's the soy sauce. Ayan. Yan. Cheers guys. When it's hot. Yaman init.
Dito sa set nila, you could have it a la carte for only 590 pesos, good for two. Or kung gusto nyo naman yung medyo unlimited talaga, it's only for 499 pesos. Kasama na rin yung buffet. Siyempre kasama dun sa 499 pesos is yung kanilang set kanina and itong mga buffet. So meron tayo ditong rice, garlic rice, meron tayong bulgogi, fried chicken, japchae, syempre, meron din tayong mga tteokbokki, and iba't ibang klase mga dishes. At the same time, unlimited yung ating drinks and yung mga regular side dishes natin.
Yun guys, para sa akin, CHON NOM RESTO for the price of 499 pesos. Kung ikaw yung tao na gusto talagang magpakabusog sa mga unlimited buffet, mga shabu-shabu, go for the 499 pesos. Good thing, ma-enjoy mo pa rin yung mga hot pot nila dito. You can enjoy that at 590 pesos. Shareable na yun up to 2 person. Para sa akin, pinaka nag-enjoy talaga ako dito is yung kumain ng mga rare exotic food katulad ng mga elephant shell dito. So they also have lobster, like lapu-lapu. Pwede po kayong paluto doon, no? Live from their aquarium. Lulutuin nila yon just for you. And guys, alternatively, kung naghahanap ka naman ng steak,
Yes.
yan, meron sila dito. They actually have a lot of dishes doon sa kanilang menu. So para sa akin, yun, pupunta ka dito, napakaraming choices na pwede mong pagpilian din. Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. Grabe Mark, sobrang enjoy ako sa araw na to.
Actually, nag-enjoy talaga ako. Lalo na first time natin makatikim ng mga
Elephant shell.
Nakita nyo naman.
Exactly.
At the same time, dito sa may CHON NOM is you could use their KTV rooms like this one.
Actually, na-surprise din ako dito sa second floor nila. May mga ganito rin mga hideout.
Yes.
Again guys, if you're looking for these kinds of places for your small gatherings, celebration, party, singing moments.
Yes.
Ayan.
At the same time, experiencing mga kakaibang klaseng food, visit na kayo dito.
Alright, so there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.